So you're standing on the side of the road after a wreck in South Carolina, and both you and the other driver made mistakes. Does that mean you lose your right to compensation? The short answer is no, at least not necessarily. South Carolina uses a modified comparative negligence standard, and understanding how that works can mean thousands of dollars on your case. I'm Jess Gooding, and I'm an attorney here at the Goings Law Firm. And I'm going to walk you through how comparative negligence works when both parties share some of the blame. We've handled hundreds of cases where both drivers made errors, and the critical question our clients always ask is whether they can still recover for their injuries. The answer is yes, but with an important caveat that can make all the difference. So here's the rule. You can recover damages as long as you are not more than 50% at fault. At 51% or higher, you cannot recover. If you're 50% or less, you're entitled to compensation. That's the line. It's a hard line, and you can be sure insurance companies know exactly where it is, and they're going to argue about whether you've hit it. Now, the second part matters just as much, and this is the part that insurance companies really tend to exploit. Your recovery gets reduced by your percentage of fault. Let me give you a realistic example. Say you were hit head-on by a driver who ran a red light, but our investigation shows that you were going 5 miles over the speed limit. The insurance company may try to claim that that puts you 20% at fault for the collision. So if your damages, as you prove them, are $150,000, your recovery becomes $120,000. So you still get paid, but that reduction really stings. And that's exactly why the insurance company will do everything in their power to try to push your percentage of fault up. The real danger, and I've seen this in case after case, is how insurance companies try to weaponize those percentages. They'll argue that you were distracted, or they'll say that your brake lights were dim, and they'll pile on arguments to push you toward that 51% bar. It's not always about truth, it's about leverage. And that's why you need somebody fighting to protect you in that percentage calculation. If you're trying to figure out whether your share of the blame means that you lose compensation, or if you want to understand where an insurance company's fault assignment is coming from, those are things that we'd be happy to talk to you about. Give us a call at 803-350-9230 for a free case assessment conversation with me or with another one of the attorneys here at the Goings Law Firm.